So I'm just trying to repair, sort of sand down the cup inside this bearing. And what the technique I've found is to have a screwdriver clamped into a workbench and then put the wheel on the point of the screwdriver, and then you can get thin strips of sandpaper, sort of use it wet or dry, like usually with water, and just kind of spin the wheel like that, and sort of work through the grades of the sandpaper. So start at like 400, then go to 1800, and then the finest one was it was 1500.